Hello, my name is Jim Goldsberry, Project Manager for Access Electrical, and we're standing in courtyard 1 of 3 in sunny Tampa of Union on Fletcher student housing project. It consists of 217 units, most of which are 4-bedroom, 4-bath, 3 courtyards similar to this. We've got 12 services ranging from 800 amps to 1200 amp. Nice amenity section with clubhouse, fitness center. There is a 250 kW generator feeding fire pump, and the elevators, 2 elevators, 5-story parking garage, all precast.